What happened? Did you sprain your butt?
Yeah. Sprained my butt. Sprained my butt. Sprained my butt. Sprained my butt.
Watch your head.
Sprained my butt.
Go more that way. There, right there. That's good. Hey, can you go on the other side and roll on your back? Sit on it.
Nope.
Are you trying to do a Superman? Are you dead? Look at that mop of hair.
Dead.
Are you gonna come back as a zombie?
No.
Oh, you're just dead?
I'm okay.
Oh, okay.
I break my arm.
Your arm's broken?
Yes.
Oh. Go see Matt. Maybe he'll give you a shot for that.
Ow.
Oh, now what's broken? Is your butt broken?
Yes. I'm okay.
You sure?
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, baby.
Thanks, Dad. Sorry.
You're welcome, Evan Zombie.